In this video, we will look at how we can convert local date time to zoned date time. So let's create a new class, new, and then Java class, and the class name is convert to zoned date time. Sample. So let's create an instance of local date time. Local date time is equal to local date time dot now. Now let's print out. We need to define public static void main first. So PS we have, and then paste it. And then let's print out local date time. Now let's run this example. So it printed out the local time, which is 22:57, and date is 2020-01-22. Now we want to convert this to a zone date time. So zone date time is equal to local date time dot, there is a method which is provided which takes in the zone ID. So add zone, and let's move it to the next line, and here we'll provide our zone ID, and zone ID dot off, and the string which we had was America/New York. And afterwards let's print out zoned date and time. Now let's run this example. Now you can see that it attaches the zone America New York to the date and time. So this is how you can attach a zone ID to local date and time. Let's see another example where you want to add an offset. So in this case, let's do South B, and here in this case, let's remove this, and local date time dot add offset. So add offset also basically take the zone offset, add offset, and then zone offset dot off hours, and here we provide -10. So what it will do is that it will append -10 to the zone offset. Now let's run this example. Now you can see that it basically added a zone offset of -10 to the local date and time.